and through our chairman for Region 1, Mr. Glenn Buenafe of Abra. You're now promoted to Yellow Belts. Congratulations. We welcome you to the Philippine Taekwondo Association. Since you are now Yellow Belts, excited. Since you are now Yellow Belts, you have the privilege to join any PTA or Philippine Taekwondo Association competition. Okay? So, sa December 6 may laro. Okay? So, your name I will create a report. Yung pangalan ninyo isasabit ko kay chairman. Si chairman isasabit niya sa Manila. Okay? For the competition details, please ask your instructor. And lastly, pagkatapos nito, lapitan niyo kung sino yung kasama ninyo ngayon, mami, daddy, guardian. Kunin niyo yung kanang kamay, mag-bless kayo sa kanila. And say, thank you very much and I love you. Pati instructor, magmula sa araw na to, kailangan gawin niyo yan. Bakit? Ang pagmamano po ay merong dahilan. Number 1, pinapakita niyo yung respeto ninyo. Number 2, pinapakita niyo yung pagmamahal ninyo. And number 3, every time na nagmano kayo, humihingi kayo ng blessing. Tandaan mo yan. Kuha ninyo? Maliwanag? Ha? Maliwanag? Mami, daddy, sumbog nyo sa akin pag hindi nila ginawa. Sparring tayo dito. Sparring ko sila dito. Okay? So yun? Once again, congratulations, Yellow Belt. Okay. Repeat after me. Kamsa Hamnida. Ano may ibig sabihin nun?
Thank you.
Ano thank you? Kumabo yung thank you. That is, thank you very much. Kuha niyo? Again. Kamsa Hamnida. Omma. Kamsahamnida. Appa. Kamsahamnida. Sabugnin. Ano yung omma? Mama. Ano yung opa? Appa. Hindi opa, ang opa is
Kuya.
boyfriend, umahal. Appa. Kuha? Yung pinaglalagyan ng ice cream, appa. Oh, ano yung sabugnin?
Master.
Instructor or teacher. Okay? So, yun.
Natuto ako ng
Once again, congratulations, Yellow Belt. Cupid! You're dismissed. Go!
Oh, bless. Pwede po kasi rin.